Well, it sure is a very wet start here this morning, as you can see behind me clearly from City Cam 8 in downtown La Crosse. Current conditions in La Crosse, by the way, 38 degrees, cloudy skies, a bit misty here, and that's lowering the visibilities a little bit here to about 3 miles. Light northwest winds at around 5 miles an hour. Meanwhile, those current conditions to north in Eau Claire also looking cloudy, and also a few light rain showers still here as well. Gusty conditions. We saw gusts up to 31 miles an hour sustained winds out of the easterly direction at 25 miles an hour. It does feel like it's 23 degrees, however, when you factor in the wind chill in Eau Claire, however. Now, here's a loop from the last 18 hours. Yesterday, we had rain and snow move through. Last night, however, we had more so of some rain. Some of those rain showers produced some heavy downpours here at times as well. We're getting a bit of a break right now on the local radar picture. You can see some light rain showers well to the north over Clark County, also into portions of Rusk and into portions of Chippewa County. And most of this heavier rain that's left over from last night is weakening as it continues to push towards the east. This is all in association with this very strong low pressure system that we continue to track here for you. And this is the same system that's not only producing showers and thunderstorms here today, it's also going to be producing snow on the backside. And right now you can actually see some of the snowfall being picked up on the radar across portions of the Dakotas. And again, everything is moving in our general direction, including the chance of seeing severe weather. In fact, a lot of folks here across this nation's midsection is going to be dealing with some severe weather potential here for today and tonight, including us here in the Coulee region. In fact, the highest risk that we have here is a level 3 enhanced risk. That's for our southern communities. The further north you are located, the lesser a risk of severe weather. But just because you're not under the enhanced risk doesn't mean you're not going to see anything. It still means that there's still a chance that you could be looking at some severe weather. And if you do have severe weather today, it's damaging winds that will be a threat, large hail, maybe some isolated tornadoes between around 4 to 7 p.m. here this afternoon and early evening as this low pressure system continues to track in our general direction here today. Now, here comes the backside. It's going to change over to snow and rain here by overnight tonight, and by early tomorrow morning here, we could be looking at full snow here coming down on the backside of that system. This is why we are under winter weather alerts, even blizzard warnings in effect here well to the west across portions of the Dakotas and western Minnesota. Here, though, in the Coulee region, we got winter storm warnings highlighted here, mainly north of La Crosse. Tonight through Saturday morning at 10 o'clock, heavy snow is possible. Wind gusts of 45 miles an hour. That could cause some blowing and drifting snow. If you are in those lighter colors there, you are under that winter weather advisory here for some lesser amounts of snowfall. And we'll time it out on Sky Tracker. 8 o'clock, still looking at some showers moving in. Here's noon today. We get a bit of a break. Still looking at some cloudy skies with some rain showers, but more so to 6 p.m. This is when we can expect some of those strong storms to move through. Those could cause some of those damaging winds, hail, and some heavy downpours. And as we head into overnight tonight, here comes the snow wrapping around the north or the backside of that system rather. It will continue to snow through at least early tomorrow morning before 8 o'clock arrives by tomorrow. And we'll be looking at that snow clearing out. Some cloudy skies are still left over before we start to see the sunshine as we head into later tomorrow afternoon. And we still are thinking that the majority of the heavier snow is going to be mainly positioned to the north. Lighter snowfall totals the further south you are. Here's a check on your 8-day forecast, and you can see that we will be looking at some windy conditions still lasting into tomorrow. Breezy conditions still on Sunday, mostly cloudy for Sunday and also into early Monday. A chance of thunderstorms is possible on Tuesday of next week.